Now let's see how to remove these unwanted extra spaces which is there between the words. So if you are going to do this one by one, it will take a lot of time because you will not have only one data in your Excel sheet. So how to do this task easily? There is a simple formula that you can use, which is trim. Equal trim, open the brackets, select the cell, close the brackets and hit enter. Now here you can see unwanted extra spaces got removed. Then from this fill handle you can drag like this. Now you can see in all the contents whatever the unwanted extra spaces got removed. So this is how you can remove the unwanted extra spaces using the trim formula which is there in Excel. Now let's see how to make the first letter of each word capital. So you can see the first four names, it's fully capital. These four names fully simple. So if you want to make the first letter in the word capital, you can use a very simple formula.